This beauty is an epitome of luxury, performance, and advanced technology. Crafted in beautiful smoky granite mica, exterior finished in with gorgeous Roja red leather seats, paired with Nagura aluminum trim and black headliner interior. Also featuring Lexus safety system, pre-collision system with PED detection, all-speed dynamic radar cruise control, Mark Levinson premium surround sound audio system with 17 speakers, 835 watts with 7.1 premium surround, intelligent high beam headlamps, lane departure alert with steering assist and lane keep assist, bi-LED dynamic auto leveling headlamps, LED daytime running lamps, blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, navigation with 12.3 screen and single DVD CD, SiriusXM satellite radio, rain sensing wipers, heated and ventilated front seats and power rear sunshade, 19-inch split 5-spoke alloy wheels with dark graphite finish, F-Sport tuned adaptive variable suspension, variable gear ratio steering, Sport Plus drive mode, 14 inches 2-piece front brake rotors with 4-piston and black calipers, 16 ways F-Sport driver's seat, F-Sport unique front fascia and grille, badging, rear valence and rear lip spoiler, green edge and CLARI FL technology, one touch, power trunk, intuitive park assist, and much more.